Are you playing nicely in your crib? There's Sophie. There's Sophie. Why don't you show Grandma how well you can do holding her? Yeah. Oh, Mommy's got a camera. I'm not interested in anything else. Look, there you go. Take Sophie. Look at that grip. Now, there you go. Put her in your mouth. Come on, silly. You could do it. Just ignore Mommy's camera. There you go, look. There you go. You almost got her. There you go. Good boy. Yeah, you're holding on to her. Oh, almost got her. Look at that. What a good boy you are. You are growing up so fast. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You gonna take her? No, I just want to put both my fists in my mouth. You want to take her? You can take her. There you go. You took her right out of Mommy's hands. What a good boy. Try again. Show Grandma how good you are. Show Granny how good you are. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. You're such a smart baby. Yes, you are. You're such a smart baby. Oh, is that tummy? Oh, tummy, 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 tummy. Tummy, 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 tummy. Oh. Good boy. Good boy. Do you want to do it with your rattle too? Can we show Granny that you can do it with other things? Yeah, let's go get your rattle. There we go. There's your rattle. There's your rattle. You gonna try to grab that one too? Huh? Almost got it. Almost got it. Almost got it. Oh, oh. There you go. There, you got it. That's your rattle. Oh, and there it goes. Rattle go bye-bye. Huh? Okay. I guess we'll stop showing you off now and get you changed out of your pajamas. Huh? Get you changed out of your pajamas? Can you believe, Mom, that he's wearing pajamas for a 9-month-old baby? Hard to believe that he's only just over 4 months. Hey? Hard to believe you're just over 4 months. That's right. That's right. Lots of talking. Lots of talking. Any more talking? Oh, are you gonna play Tigger? Oh, big yawn for Mommy. Oh no. Big yawn. Yeah. Say, okay, Mom, I'm done. Pick me up. Pick me up. I'm done. I'm done playing. Okay. Say bye, Granny. Say bye, Granny. Bye, Granny. We love you. We love you, Granny. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh look, here's Mommy's hand. Now I can put that in my mouth.